I know you love mac salad. Don't be a hater. Today's all about mac salad. Today we're making mac salad. We got our water heating up. We're gonna add some salt to that water. Right? We'll grab our spoon and we're gonna get this going. Today's all about mac salad. You like mac salad? It's a good place to be. We got our bowl of macaroni. We don't need it. Plate of veg plate. Look at this, it's beautiful, it's colorful. Can't believe it. We're gonna start off cutting up some veg. One of the main ingredients in mac salad, other than the mac, is the veg. We'll do our celery right down the middle, something close to that. And then we're just gonna go down bench scraper. Makes picking up that chopped veg infinitely easier. Carrot. We're gonna peel it. Manageable sizes to work with. We're kind of gonna quarter the carrot. You don't really want chunks in your macaroni salad bigger than the macaroni, because then things get weird. People get confused, people get worried. You don't want to make people worried. Barbecue season is coming up. You know what you're gonna want to bring to the party? Mac salad. Give it one of these, chop them up, break them down just in case you missed one. It's beautiful. It's mac salad. Put that in a bowl. Get all your bits. Get all your bits. Got red onion. Probably chopping too much red onion. That's okay, save it for later. Save it for something else. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Let your onion fall apart. I'm gonna scoop up most of that onion. We'll deal with it later when we need it. For now, we got as much as we need. About a cup of vegetables. Every vegetable, get about a cup of it. Break them down. Everybody's so creative. We got peps, mini sweet peppers. We got about 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, different colors. Helps add that color variety, right? Take our pile of peppers. And just cut way too many at once. Peppers. Delicious. This is more than a cup, obviously. Nobody cares. Looks like our water is cruising. We're gonna take our macaroni, add it to the pot. Give it a stir. We need about 8 minutes. We got about 8 minutes on the noodles. Ooh, just got quiet in here. Let's try one here. Excellent. Strain these out over here in the sink. We're gonna let those noodles cool. In the meantime, we're gonna break down this parsley. Fresh Italian parsley. Got that fresh green. Fresh green on the board. It's a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight. So we got that semi-cooled macaroni in a pot. A bowl. This is where the magic happens. We're gonna go salt, kosher salt, thick, coarse, big. About a tablespoon. Garlic powder. 1.5 tablespoons. I got this pre-mixed Italian seasoning, just a little bit of everything. We're gonna go 1/8 teaspoon on that. 1/4 teaspoon on that. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. Some black pepper. Then we're gonna take a splash of oil, olive oil. Just to kind of help it out. Maybe a tablespoon or 2. Mix up those nudes. Next, main ingredient, we got mayo. We're gonna do 1 cup. Two cup. Maybe about 1/2 cup. Yellow mustard, tablespoon. Bowl of veg. Now, some might call this macaroni salad an abomination, and I'm okay with that because I don't think I've ever made macaroni salad the same way twice. And this is just testing in of itself, you know. We're just gonna see what we can come up with. Figured the more vegetables, the better, especially if you want to bring some of this to work, you know, a couple days a week as a meal prep. Don't forget those fresh greens, right? Just a bowl, just a miracle of mac salad. The miracle of mac salad. Once you got that mac salad ready to go and where you want it, cover it up, stick it in the fridge, let it sit, be good for a week. Maybe 5 days, if your week is 5 days. I should say it'll be good for a work week. So here's our mac salad. Let's give it a little test. A little spoon. It's a winner. Recipe in the description, and like I've said, I've never made mac salad the same way twice. This is just what happened to come out today. I made this for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.